Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Ladybug Shadow Box. Isn't that so fun with all the different foliage, that little ladybug that's sitting on the leaf? Super fun. This project is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have a membership already, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that has all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and select which option is right for you. Today's project is available for basic and premium members only. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and log into my account, and you'll see that we're logged into the website. To access the full file library, use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab and select File Library. And you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 257, that is the Ladybug Shadow Box. Go ahead and click the icon and then download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you'll see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this appropriately to fit within the shadow box that I'll be using. Those inner dimensions are 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using a different shadow box or possibly putting this onto a card, you can come up to the sizing options and change the size accordingly. One thing that I would mention is to make sure that you keep the proportions locked. That way the design doesn't get distorted at all. Since my project is sized appropriately already, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all of our different layers for the shadow box cut out. As far as layering goes, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer everything together. But from back to front, we're going to start with the cream layer, then the light blue, the dark green, black, red, lighter green, black again, and then the pale green. Go ahead and refer to the layering guide to help show you how to layer everything together. Now you could certainly use foam squares to help add some dimension between some of the different layers. I actually will be using some foam squares, and that will be behind the dark green layer and then the pale green layer. So I'm going to add my foam squares and then I'll go ahead and get my shadow box. Alright, so I have grabbed my shadow box and gotten all the packaging out of it. And I also added those pins like I always do to this backing piece. I'm going to set that to the side for a minute. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start to layer in the design. Alright, so everything has been layered inside. I'm going to go ahead and add the backing piece. Close up the shadow box. And there is our fun Ladybug Shadow Box. How simple was this project? You could totally use different colors and completely change the project. You could totally add different colors and completely change the look of the project. Resize the design and put it on a card. There's so many different possibilities. I hope that you like this one. If you make this, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!